Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Buying Your Crypto. Sandbox is going to have a huge price action. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You're going to take easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. We are growing, we are a community that grows pretty fast, so join us and you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Sandbox against USDT chart. 20-day, 50-day exponential moving average, the 200 moving average. Now let's see what happened to EGLD. The same thing, right? 200 moving average approaching the 20-day and the 50-day MA. And whenever we are having a crossing down condition, so the yellow line is crossing up the white line, or the white line crosses down the yellow line, that's why I said about crossing down condition. And of course, it's going to cross down the 50 MA as well, and we are having a pump. The same can happen with Sandbox. As you can see, we are going into the same area that the EGLD was before, and this is why I made the video that said that for EGLD, there is a huge price action coming in, and you can see that we are moving upwards. Right now for Sandbox, it is going to be the same or not. Let's find out and let's see some very important targets. So what I'm going to do with Sandbox is I'm going to go and draw the first fib of the day, this time from the top to the bottom. And if we go to the weekly scale, we can see that we are not yet above the very huge important resistance level of the 0.60, although we close above in the daily and in the 4-hour frame. Now, I think that closing above in the daily and the 4-hour frame would be enough, but at the same time, the weekly frame suggests that it is not. Either way, because in the 4-hour frame we are having the 200 moving average approaching the 20-day and the 50-day MA, I think the most probable scenario is that we are going to close above and we can go even to the 0.66 for Sandbox. This is going to be huge, right? 0.66 is going to be a plus 12%. Apart from that though, what you need to know for Sandbox, it is that even if we have an impulsive wave in the 4-hour frame, in the weekly scale, we will still go further down, and this is not the bottom of Sandbox. However, you can take advantage of some good profits. Closing above the 0.60 again will mean that 200 moving average will probably cross down again the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. That means that Sandbox is very likely to move higher. 0.66 is the next target, and of course if we close above in the 4-hour frame, that is, the closing above conditions are in the 4-hour frame. Okay, if we can manage to close above the 0.60, then we can go all the way up to 0.66 and then 0.71. So we have these targets. Closing above the 4-hour frame will be great. The 200 moving average, this white line needs to cross down the 20-day and the 50-day MA. We are very close to getting that, but at the same time, let's see if we are going to have something like EGLD did. I'm very optimistic about it. In the meantime, I'm going to have an update about EOS. Look at what it has been doing since we made the video about here, possible bullish pennant. It has been going all the way crazy, okay, and it has been outperforming everything. Anyway, let's go back to Sandbox. These are the targets right now. If we get rejected from the 0.60 though, especially in the weekly scale, be prepared for another correction towards the next target, which can be back to 0.53 and so on. This is going to be bad, but at the same time, let's hope that we are going to do the best out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can cancel anytime you like. If you do not like it, thank you. See you soon. Bye.